Developed by Wētā Workshop, the renowned studio behind the cinematic adaptations of Tolkien's works, and published by Private Division, Tales of the Shire invites players to experience the tranquil life of a hobbit in Middle-earth. Set for release on July 29, 2025 across PC, Switch, PlayStation, and Xbox platforms, this life simulation game is set between The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings. In Tales of the Shire, you'll create your own Hobbit character and settle in Bywater, a community striving to achieve official village status. Trading epic battles for domestic bliss, your mission is to help this corner of the Shire flourish while building your peaceful existence. The core gameplay embraces the unhurried pace of Hobbit life. You'll be free to decorate your Hobbit hole without grid restrictions, allowing creative expression. Cooking is the most refined mechanic, incorporating texture elements that make meal preparation an engaging puzzle. These dishes serve as social currency, the primary means of building relationships with fellow hobbits. Outside your home, you'll tend gardens, forage for wild herbs, fish in clear ponds, and explore picturesque landscapes. A charming navigation feature includes a bird that appears when you set a waypoint, guiding you through the Shire's winding paths. Building connections lies at the heart of the Bywater experience. You'll meet familiar Hobbit families, trade recipes, and share meals. However, the social system lacks the depth found in other life simulations. Relationships remain relatively static, with no evolving storylines or meaningful character development beyond surface-level interactions. This limitation represents a significant missed opportunity. Tolkien's Shire is rich in social dynamics, pride, gossip, and tradition, elements that the game sometimes sacrifices in favor of pure coziness. Visually, Tales of the Shire embraces a charming, painterly aesthetic faithful to Tolkien's vision. The warm art style brings Bywater to life with rustic detail, particularly in interior spaces. Dynamic weather and day-night cycles enhance immersion, creating an ever-changing landscape that mirrors the tranquil rhythm of Hobbit life. However, early reports indicate some inconsistency in technical execution, mentioning bugs and performance stutters, particularly on the Switch and mid-tier PCs. Tales of the Shire will resonate most strongly with fans of cozy life simulations such as Stardew Valley and Animal Crossing, as well as Lord of the Rings enthusiasts who have dreamed of experiencing the peaceful existence that Frodo and his friends fought to protect. This game offers a perfect escape if you find relaxation in virtual gardening, home decoration, and gentle social interactions. However, those seeking action, combat, or high-stakes drama should look elsewhere, as the game's deliberate pace may not satisfy players craving adventure. Tales of the Shire represents a bold direction for Lord of the Rings games by focusing on the peaceful domesticity at the heart of Tolkien's world. The game excels when it embraces its cozy core, the satisfaction of a well-decorated Hobbit hole, the puzzle-like pleasure of cooking, and the simple beauty of the Shire's landscapes. Yet, it sometimes plays it too safe, missing opportunities to infuse its world with deeper complexity. For the right player, this will be a cherished retreat, a digital cup of tea by the fire, offering comfort without complication. While it may not deliver an epic journey, it provides something equally valuable: a chance to exist in one of fantasy's most beloved corners, simply. As the game suggests, not all those who wander are lost. Sometimes the most meaningful adventure is finding a place to call home.